Hello my beauties, welcome back to another video of brown layers. I'm Sayanika and thank you all for stopping by. Today in this video I'm gonna share some tips and tricks with which you can create any kind of beautiful cut crease eye makeup look. So let's start the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. So I have already done my base and also my eyebrow, even my eye base is also done. I will set my under eye with Maybelline FITme powder with a fluffy brush, and then to be more precise we'll use a pointed brush to do a little baking. No, not a cake baking, it's a under eye baking. So yeah, I'll set my concealer which I used to prime my eyelid. I used the concealer to prime my eyelid, didn't use any sort of eye primer because I think concealer does the job well. And setting your concealer with light color eyeshadow will make other color pop out a bit more. Drawing my crease with a bright yellow shade from this ucanbe fruit pie filling palette. Can you see that? How bright the yellow is? Now we'll do the same thing on this eye. Now we'll use this olive kind of shade on my crease. Just I'll flick it to outward. Now with this kind of flat brush, I will draw my crease with this green shade. So I'm done with the base shadow part. Now we will cut the crease. Now the easiest way to cut your crease is just place a bit of concealer on your upper lash line. Not lash line, just above your lash, and look upward, and the concealer will touch your crease and then you can cut it there. Now taking a flat brush like this and with a light color concealer, I will cut my crease. First, as I said, I will place the concealer over here and I look upward. Now see, I have got my crease. So now I will cut my crease from this area where the concealer touched my crease. I will do a half cut crease, not the full one. So let's see. Same thing I'll do on this eye. Often shimmer shades doesn't perform well with brush. It performs well with your fingers because of its natural oil. So I will use this shimmer shade with my finger. I have already used it with a brush, but still I feel the pigmentation will show off more with my fingers. Can you see that? Any shade performs well when you use it with your finger because of the natural oil, as I mentioned before. Yeah, I'm almost done with my shimmer part. Now I will mix the shimmer shade with the green a bit. I will blend the mid portion so that it looks a bit more smooth. I'll blend the green in the middle portion of this shimmer shade and the outer corner of my eye. This blending is very important. So for the under eye part, I'm using the green only to smoke out my lower lash line. I will flick the green towards the outer corner of my eye like I did during the yellow. So I think the eyeshadow part is done, and now we'll do some eyeliner and do some more dramatic things. We'll add some kohl in our lower waterline. Not only waterline, I will add a bit more in the lash line also. So the liner is done. Now we'll use a white liner to make it more dramatic. So I added a bit white eyeliner over the crease, half of the crease, to make it more dramatic. Now I will highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of the eyes. So So the eye makeup is done, and now quickly I will do rest of my face and put on some lashes and come back. So here is the final result, and this is how I'm slaying my cut crease. If you like the video, then do give it a big fat thumbs up, and also if you don't, then give it a dislike. And also if you like, then do let me know in the comment section below. Each of your like and dislike will be a motivation for me to do another video, so let me know in the comment section. All the product links will be given in the description box below, so you can check them out from the link itself. So as usual, we will meet in the next video. So till then, take love, bye bye.